Today, application insights are a key element or important piece of application monitoring. Um, and you can easily do that with many different services. Given that we are on the Microsoft platform, you can definitely use application insights from Microsoft Azure. So let's go ahead and show you how to configure that and how to use it. So I'm going to first go ahead and go to application insights in Azure, and let's go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to say create here. So in this, I'm going to go ahead and select my resource group, and let's give a name. So let's call it FW10 app insights, and we can just click say next and next. And once this validation is done, we can go ahead and create this resource. This might take maybe a minute or two for Azure to create the app insights. Once this is done, we'll navigate to that and we'll go and take the information and configure FlowWright. So we have created the resource app insights. So we can actually click on go to resource. So now you can see app insights. There's really no data coming at this point. So we need to tell FlowWright to use this particular app insights. And the way you do it is you will see over here there's a connection string. You're going to go ahead and copy this connection string. And if you go to the FlowWright directory in the file system and open up the file called app settings.json, I have that file open here. You will see at the bottom of the file, it will say application insights and a connection string. Just go ahead and paste that connection string between these two double quotes and save that. And once you have done that, just go ahead and go to your FlowWright and just reload the FlowWright and then log in. And once you log in and start performing things within FlowWright, you will see that some of the graphs in App Insights will start collecting, showing data here. So right now we still don't have anything yet, but let's go ahead and do some navigate to some of these screens. So let's look at form definitions. Let's go to process instances so that we collect some data. And I'm just going to go and navigate to a couple of these screens here. Go back to one of these. So now we should have a little bit of data. If you don't see anything, just click on this. So as you can see, we still don't have any data, but we are connected. And the way we can do that is we can also go into live metrics. And this will take a couple of seconds to get prepared. Now, if we go and look at our data, so let me go ahead and reload that. We should see some data popping up in these graphs. So you can see, the request rate, request duration, request failure rate, various different graphs. Now the insights are collecting data. So let's go ahead and navigate to some of our other areas of the app. So let's go ahead and open this process definition in the designer. So while we do all of these different things, that data is being collected by App Insights. So let's go ahead and close this. And let's look at the insights. So you can see a few of the, the data that's being collected. You can also see sample telemetry here, some of the 404 errors that we are seeing. So this is also very helpful to see any issues, any performance issues. So there are various telemetry that's provided for your application. With these menu options here, there are various different. For example, I can see application map, how things are connected in FlowWright, and so you can see we made 84 calls and averages about 5.2 milliseconds. So you can read Azure documentation on App Insights and figure out what all these different things do and So there's a lot of power in application monitoring, and this is one of the solutions that we have built in, and all you have to do is configure it, and you're ready to go with Azure App Insights. Thank you for watching.